Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the stream. Today we're streaming again, day trading again. Yesterday was a pretty interesting day. We literally got stopped at a break even, and then trade just went straight to TP, which was kind of unfortunate, but it's just the name of the game. Kind of wish I entered again, but I didn't. Let's see. So I hope everyone's doing well. I wonder what's going to happen today. We kind of have an interesting situation today, but let's start the usual way we do. First thing, before I do anything else, is the journal. Remember I told you guys about the journal? And that's how we do every single day. I start off my trading day by journaling in my notebook how, like, we're gonna, what I think, how I'm feeling, write down daily affirmations, things like that. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, and let's write it down here. Sorry guys, I have like the sniffles. Might be getting a little sick. Literally want to hammer this into your guys' head is how important the journal is when you're trading. Like, by far one of the most important things you can do for yourself and to better yourself in the trading space is having things like this, and keeping yourself accountable. It even helps to teach you discipline and all that stuff. So the trading journal is my most powerful tool, more than my knowledge of the charts and anything. Anyways, hope you guys had a good day yesterday. Hope everything was well. But we gotta get straight to trading. So I'm gonna start marking out those draws on liquidity that I like to have every day. And then we can kind of get started. I'll give you guys a daily bias and where I think the market's gonna go. Wow, these are pretty deep down here. Personally, like, there's a lot of things that I want to see happen, but I really don't think we're gonna see happen. Wait, is this? Oh yeah, oops. It's I'll explain in a second after I mark out some of these highs and these lows here. Oh yeah, before I do that, I gotta check news. So let's see what's going on here with the news. Okay, so we had like NFP employment change come out, but these are orange folders, so I'm not too concerned. PMI, we had like the big PMI, the manufacturing one, which is more effective, and that came out on Monday. But then today at 7 we have a small kind of thing. Don't expect too much from it, honestly. I'm gonna just mark up to here, and then here I guess we can just mark out this just to say we did it, basically. And here, let's see, in the 1 hour of this, that's not it. And then we have this draw down here. Okay, yeah, I'm good with this, honestly. And then let's see on the upside, basically. We have this draw. Things look good for longs, but I don't know if that's what I think is going to happen. I'd probably mark out way more than I should have marked out, but I'd rather, the way I see it is like I'd rather have all these draws marked out that are potentials, and then that way when I'm like trading, I don't have to be thinking like, oh, where's the next draw? I can just, drag and drop my take profit, my stop loss to like whatever level I think, and kind of just look at the chart like this. These like 3 stacked highs look really good for today. You guys can see we are just bull running, so let's do the same thing on ES now. Ooh, I forgot to clear out all the drawings yesterday. Okay. On ES, we have heavily surpassed all-time highs, which was all the way here. So that's really interesting. So definitely can't really trade ES. Yeah, guys, there's actually like almost no draws for ES. I mean, no draws to the upside, just these all-time highs, and then we have that. And I mean, do we really think it's going to crash like that? I don't think so either, but I'll get some tunes going while I do this. Alright, there we go. We got tunes. The vibes are getting set up here. We have 21 minutes till market opens. So we have some draws here to the downside on the 1 hour chart, and then this on the 1 hour chart as well. So yeah, all right, that's pretty much it for here. So definitely the index we want to trade today is for sure ES. I mean, boy, what am I saying? Sorry, guys. It's early. It's early. Cut me a break here. Definitely the index I'm looking to trade is NQ because it looks much better. But we got to be careful today, right? So let's see. So 4 hour is most definitely bullish. The 1 hour is also. Interestingly enough, the 1 hour is bearish, but we are coming up here, and we might break structure back here, but we don't know. That's another 50 minutes. So whenever the 4 hour is bullish and the 1 hour is bearish, then we have a confused bias technically. So that's why I like to look at the 30, and 30 is bullish, and the 15-minute is also bullish. 5-minute is still bullish also. So 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute all bullish. 4 hours bullish. 1 hour is bearish at the moment. Obviously these can change at any moment, but that's what's going on with NASDAQ. And then with ES, well, yeah, guys, what do you think about this, huh? Extremely bullish on the 4 hour, still really bullish on the 1 hour. 30-minute bullish, 15-minute bullish, 5-minute bullish. So ES is bullish on every single index, every single time frame. So with that being said, today's a bit interesting for me. I don't really know what to expect from the market because if we analyze here, ES took out all-time highs already, and ES took out all-time highs and ripped past them. NASDAQ is sitting below all-time highs, like you guys can see here. Look at the chart. We are well below all-time highs. All-time highs is here at 31,105. So if NASDAQ is below all-time highs and ES is above all-time highs, to me, this looks like a bearish SMT kind of. Because, you know, we put in a higher high, then there's a higher low and then a higher high, and then there's also a higher high and a higher low. So with that being said, this looks like a very big bearish SMT. And the question here that I have is, like, are we going to be able to keep ripping on ES for me to be able to take longs on NASDAQ to some of these draws on liquidity? Or is it time for a retrace? That's what I don't understand. Hold on. All right. Wait. Well, shit. Again. God damn. All right. Now I'm back. Sorry about that. Anyways, yeah. So that's the position I find myself in right now. It's like, where does market want to go? So I think today, as much as I think longs for NASDAQ, I don't think that's going to be the game plan for sure, because we don't know if NASDAQ wants to go higher, or actually not if NASDAQ, if ES wants to go higher. Based on the chart, it looks like it wants to go higher, but we got to just wait and see market open, because if we analyze here what happened during London session. So this is New York AM high, this is Asia, oh no, this is lunch PM high, and then we have London. This is Asia somewhere here. And then we have London here. Like London kind of traced down, and then we have this move up. So I feel like we might want to continue coming lower. So I don't know. It's a little bit interesting. So kind of leaves you in a spot of confusion, but where I'm open to either or side of the market. So yeah, like these all-time highs are London highs basically. So London highs and all-time highs. So it leaves you in a spot where I'm a bit confused as to where the market really wants to go. You know what I mean? So that's where I stand. I have a friend who blew his account, live account too, so so yeah, guys, we're trying to wait until market opens in 14 minutes to see what's going to happen here, because I don't really see where market wants to go right now, because like I was explaining, we took out all-time highs on ES. Do we want to keep going up? Like we went up like this on the 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart. We went up literally just like this, like straight bull run. And I want to see if we want to keep going higher, or if it's time to come down and retrace a little bit, and maybe I can catch the retrace today. While I do that, I need to chart up my top step, so let me quickly do that. If you guys don't know, we're trading on funded accounts right now, and things are going good on fundeds. I have one express account passed, one funded passed, and I'm trying to pass the second one because I'm trying to stack my fundeds, trying to have like 5 accounts stacked on Top Step. And then I'm also trading on Tradeify, and I have a 25K there that I bought just to test out. I used to be big on alpha futures, but after the whole thing that happened, I don't really use alpha anymore. I kind of got out of that. So did I miss anything here? No, I didn't. All right, cool. Guys, there's literally no draws for these indexes for ES. Cool. Alright, so we are pretty much ready to trade. That's my chart work every single day that I do. And then now we just wait for the setup. If you guys want to see performance from yesterday, this is how we performed so far. I de-risked yesterday because I almost wasn't going to take a trade actually. But as of today, we're here. Three trades. It's not actually three separate trades. It's just like one trade with different take profits, but it counts it as a trade. So that's this account here, and then I have my Tradeify account, which we made 113 yesterday and $602 on Monday, and we're very close to passing that. We're like $450 away, so that's pretty cool. We're pretty close to that. And then I have here's July's P&L. Yeah, dude, look at this. This is what happens when you're not disciplined and you're full porting and being stupid. Look, loss on the first day was fine, but this loss is not okay. You can't lose like that. That's literally the daily loss limit. So I'll show you guys my real P&L. Like, I actually lost my ass here, and then I made my money back slowly. Most people would give up, bro, because this account, the drawdown is only $1,000. So most people would have given up here, but I kept going. Didn't trade that day. Kept going, and now we're about to pass that. So that just shows you guys how you need to trade and how you need to be disciplined and not make the same mistakes like this. You can't have these big red days happen. You need to have proper risk management and make sure that you're actually doing things correctly. Like, if you guys saw my other Top Step account that I passed, I literally had no losing days, and I passed it within like a week. Everyone's like, oh, you gotta full port your account and like full port your funded so you can pass and get funded. No, bro, don't do that. That's stupid. You gotta take it methodically. Trade how you normally would, because then once you trade the way you're supposed to be trading, right? You're following your rules. You're being consistent. Even if it's small profits, you follow your rules. Bro, when you get to the funded stage, you're gonna know exactly what to do. You're gonna have an exact idea of what to do, and you're not gonna be as stressed because you're used to full porting your fundeds, right? So that's just a piece of advice right there, is trade the funded like you would trade in real life, and you'll actually pass it, and then you'll make money in due time when you're supposed to. Don't be trying to rush things. This isn't a fast thing. There's no such thing as fast money. That's not a thing. Anything that you see is, like, obviously trading is fast money because you trade and then you make money in the day and then you're done. But what I mean is, to get to that level of skill and expertise, it takes a really long time, and you need to learn a lot of shit just to get there. So if you're not willing to put in that work, then bro, honestly, just get off the stream and stop trading, and it's not meant for you. Here's someone DMing me, right, saying that they blew their live account yesterday. I do use IFEGs. I use IFEGs. I use draws on liquidity. I use Fibonacci sometimes, especially like when we're at all-time highs, like this with ES. I use Equilibrium and SMTs. That's pretty much it, bro. I keep it really simple. But I don't pattern trade. I mean, maybe sometimes I do, but I try not to pattern trade. Anyways, this guy DM'd me, a friend of mine. He said he was trading gold, and he blew his entire live account, which is that's probably the worst feeling. At least me, I'm trading on fundeds, and then it's cool. Like, you lose whatever you put into to buy the funded, so that's cool. But he was trading gold, blew his entire account. I don't know how he trades. I've never really like sat down and talked to him to see how he trades. And his answer to me, his like DM was like, I took 4 trades in key points and the market just didn't care and kept going. So that's the thing, right? If it's the market is never working in your favor. The market is actually against you. The market doesn't want you to make money. They want you to lose money. They want to make money. So the market's never going to be in your favor, and that's mistake number 1 that this guy made by saying that. You don't do that. The market's never on your side. You can never think it's going to do exactly what you want it to do. That's why we have stop losses, and that's why we have take profits, because this is what our prediction is. And this is why the way I trade, I like to have multiple take profits, because that way I know if one gets hit, I can move my stops to break even, because that was a key level for me. And then at break even, I'm in a risk-free trade now. Like yesterday my trade bull run, I got stopped at a break even. I was like, okay, I'm cooked, right? It went straight to TP after, but I was protecting myself because that's the way I trade. I like to protect myself and be able to secure some profits on the day. Because at the end of the day, I have like a really good win rate. Like, I mean, on this new funded, you could see, I mean, I have a 100% win rate. So, yeah, I do trade IFEGs and FVGs and all that. So, if you watch the stream, you'll see how I trade. It's good stuff. I mean, it's different. I mean, it's more simple. Something I preach all the time and I like to practice is this method called a guy told me a long time ago, dude. This guy told me a long time ago. He told me this applies to everything in life, not just trading. But he just said KISS, and I was like, what do you mean KISS? And he said KISS stands for keep it simple, stupid. That's it. And when you keep things simple, stupid, you actually have a lot more. When you're keeping things simple, it just works better. It works more seamlessly. I was literally scrolling through Kick yesterday after I got off stream. So yeah, yesterday I got off stream and I was looking to see who else was trading, and I saw this dude. Exactly, bro. KISS method is the best method. I saw this dude trading, and he was literally like, he had all this shit on the screen. He had like these levels on the side and ranges and the RSI, and he had like, the candles weren't even candles. It was literally like fucking bubbles. I was like, what am I looking at here? And the guy was like trying to scalp some trades, and he's in a trade for like 2 seconds. I'm like, in my head, I'm like, what the hell am I looking at, bro? Like, I mean, if it works for him, cool. But for me, that just seems like overly complex and not something I really want to be dealing with. So, yeah, I like to just keep it simple. But let's see here. We have 2 minutes until market opens. Right now, we're just ripping. Okay, there goes those all-time highs. I mean, it's going to be really interesting to see if price just wants to continue going higher. I really don't know. Do I think we're going past 30,000? Dude, today? It all depends. I mean, for sure. Honestly, we might, bro. We might go past that 30K. We might. It all kind of depends on ES here. If ES wants to keep going higher, but it's always kind of scary because, bro, look how all-time highs is here. Yeah, it's insane. Like, all-time highs is here, and we're already 78.08. All-time highs was like 7,695. So we're like overly extended, and this chart just looks insane to me. That's why I'm a bit hesitant to even want to long on NQ, because I feel like a retrace is due either today or tomorrow, you know. But I'm gonna be very careful today. Probably de-risk a little bit too, because I'm in like a spot where I really don't know where price wants to go. All right, we got 1 minute until market open. Oh no, 9 seconds actually. So let's see what market does. Market's open. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Like I think shorts too because we're so overextended. But bro, the way this market has been playing out, you really don't know. I mean, you might just want to go higher. Like yesterday, bro. Let's see. Where is yesterday? When am I? Yesterday we went up like the whole time, and I barely found an entry somewhere in here. I think. Okay, so we took out that. Let me see where those London. Why is this indicator like lagging? It's kind of annoying. Why does it look like that? It's weird. Dude, there was like an update for these indicators and they just screwed them all up, man, honestly. I hate the way these indicators look, but I guess London highs are taken out. Like, I literally don't even use half this stuff anymore. Dude, wow, I'm actually shocked. It's impressive to see this. Oh, okay, yeah, no, I mean, bro, I love trading on TradingView always. There's probably some good ones out there, I just don't know about them. But yeah, I always pick TradingView. I think you should also use TradingView. I think it's one of my favorites. The only thing I hate about TopStep is I actually have to use like their platform. It's okay. It's an okay platform. Um, I guess the only like really cool thing is you can get into an entry and you don't have to set your stop loss and take profit right away. But I mean, it is what it is. TradingView though, love it. That's why I bought this like small account here on Tradeify just to test it out. And bro, I used to love Alpha Futures when they had the Tradeivate, but now they have their own like TopStep. They have their own thing that's kind of like TopStep, so I kind of stopped trading that. Okay, so you've only been trading for like 4 months, but you're working with a live account until I feel ready to try and get funded. Really? Like, are you using, when you say live account, do you mean like a demo account or like you're just practicing still, or are you using like actual funds on a live? That's what I'm curious to know. Oh shit, so like real cash. I mean, bro, just gonna be straight up with you, like funded is a lot less risk involved. Oh shit, bro, you're cooking. $100 and it's 1,800 now? Oh, dude, you're doing really well. I mean, if you're cool with that, bro, stick to live because the thing with fundeds is they have all these damn rules and it's annoying, you know. They have all these really annoying rules and regulations and stuff. But if you feel like you're disciplined enough to trade your live account like that, and then, dude, 100% by all means, that's the move. I mean, now with you know, a smaller size account, bro, you can. They're coming out with nanos. I don't know if you heard about that. Like, you know, these are micros, and then these are minis, right? But they're coming out with nanos, and it's like 20 cents for one nano Nasdaq. So that's crazy. It'll be real easy to like size up and have really good TPs and make pretty good profit with small accounts. So yeah, that's sick, dude. I mean, yeah, if you're doing good, I would definitely stay on the live account. Live account's definitely the move. I just don't do it because I'm like scared of like my risk management and stuff. I have a lot of overhead expenses and I can't like blow everything like that. But funded works for me for now. Maybe in the future if I have like a lot more, then I want to switch to live. But as of right now, I'm good with my funded accounts. Yeah, bro. That's the way it is, bro. Everyone's, you know, I hate the 9 to 5 grind. Like it's horrible. It's funny because like I was actually one of those kids who did like do good in school, and I feel like the school system prepares you to be like a basically just an employee, like a corporate worker, follow rules and stuff. But yeah, bro, it's a grind, and it makes me happy to see that you're doing well. I'm glad you're doing well. Keep going. Don't give up. Don't overtrade. Don't revenge trade. I can give you some simple rules. You probably have your own rules, but just to help you out, like some simple rules. One trade win, get off the charts. One trade loss, get off the charts. One trade break even, you can trade it. You can trade again. Take another trade, and whatever the outcome is of that one, get off the charts. If you watch my streams, you'll see that I literally take one trade. Like yesterday, I took a trade, got stopped at break even. I didn't really feel too confident in the setup again, so that's when I got out and called it a day. That's what I've been doing every day. If you look at some of the past streams, near the end is when I take the stream. Okay, you're gambling, bro. Yeah, gambling is, bro. It's a whole epidemic now. The way I see it, it's so bad. Like things are just getting worse and worse with gambling lately, because you have all these like people on social media promoting like these companies like RainBet and all these gambling companies. There's so many, but you see the ads, and content creators are making the ads and stuff. So it's a huge epidemic, and I'm glad you got that fixed. Discipline is key. Don't treat trading like gambling ever. Yeah. But yeah, man, that's good though. Right now, bro, we're super bullish on everything, so I'd have to really, honestly, bro, this might be a thing for longs for me, low key. But I'd have to see, for me to take shorts right now, I'll tell you what I'm looking for. For me to take shorts, I'd want to see ES break 5-minute structure to the downside, and I want to see NASDAQ break 5-minute structure to the downside as well. That's what I'm looking for. But right now, we took out these draws here, but there's no structure break, so if I see a break on the 5-minute, then a break up on the 1-minute, break down again, that's when I can do shorts. But as of right now, I'm still thinking longs for the time being. So I want to have like more like hype music, bro. I'm like, shit's putting me to sleep. There we go. Okay, we're strongly rejecting off of that. Oh, you don't hear music, really?
Yes, I'll call you back.
Oh, I didn't know that. Hold on. Alright, watch the charts for me while I do this. Wait, so you can't hear anything here? Oh wow, okay. Let me just turn this up, I guess.
I'll call you back.
I was convinced that my music was working, so you guys can hear it too. Okay, what about now? A little bit, yeah. I mean, I'm scared because I don't want to make it too loud. Got it. Okay, let me adjust this. I hope I didn't make it too loud. Is that? I wonder if that's better. Bro. Wow. Okay. Let me. All right. Bet. Let me see what we're doing here. Bro, it's because it's like an industrial place I'm in right now, not even like a house, so... Okay, but let me get back to the charts. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, we had a 1 minute breakdown, and we're about to get a 1 minute break up. Bro, low key, this might be the trade. Let me see. I think we're gonna get a quick entry here. If we break up here. Let's see what this looks like. It's like a 1-to-1. So we never broke structure to the downside here on the 1 minute. I need to get a better mic too. The mic I'm using here is terrible. I mean, do I want to take this early on? It's following my rules though. Break on the 1 minute. Retrace. I mean, it's a bit risky, but it is following the rules. Fuck it. I think I'm gonna take this because I am following the rules. So. I don't know about this. Yeah, we might dip down here. Let's see if we go into this gap here. Holy shit, what the fuck is going on there? Alright. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's looking spooky. It's looking spooky. It's okay though. If I get stopped out, I'm literally out of this. I'm done for the day. Let's see what ES is doing. Oh, shit. This might have been a bad trade, boys. We broke structure on the 1 minute on ES. Let's see what the 5 minutes looking like. Honestly, I think I can maybe... Honestly, bro, if we get below here, this is... Bro, we missed the high like that? Let's see. Okay. I'm really not liking this trade anymore. But whatever, I'm in this shit, so. Bro, I don't know about this trade, guys. I don't know how I'm feeling about this anymore. Yeah, bro, we're like... I don't know. It's looking spooky. But I think we're good, actually. Nothing is telling me that it's not going to keep going higher. The only thing I'm scared of is ES being so low all the way down here. And just... Ideally, bro, we need to get above this level on ES. If we're going to keep going higher, that's what has to happen. This trade is still in drawdown. Bro. I don't know. This is not looking too good. Bro, okay, I don't think I'm feeling too good about this trade, boys. I'm gonna get out on this. I don't trust this. It's looking spooky, I think. I think it's time to call it quits here. Oh, what the no way, bro. What was that? Oh my god. Alright, bro. What the hell was that? Alright. I'm out of this shit, bro. Hold on. Wow. Holy, what just happened? Bro. Jeez, bro. Okay. Should have got out when I said I wanted to. Now I'm overly cooked on this account too. But let's wait. Let's see. Maybe it's just it's plot armor. It's plot armor, bro. It's plot armor. So. Wow, bro. That was crazy. What the hell? We broke down again. Let's see what we want to see happen here. Alright, bro. I don't know if you guys are watching this, but that was insane. I mean, we're still in drawdown. Stop loss is here. We're probably cooked on this trade, but that was crazy. You're in shorts? Shit, bro. I think you might be right, dog. I might be cooked on this. Alright, brother. Let's see what happens. I know if we inverse this gap, big chillin'. But if we don't, actually, I'm just cooked. I'm so cooked. See, also, if ES can inverse this gap, it's looking good. Alright, guys. I'm curious. Let's see who's right. He's in shorts. I'm in longs. I'm already in the trade, so I can't like switch my bias up. But I do think shorts are the move. Off this 1 minute break here, that was beautiful. Set up for shorts, stop loss up here, looks nice. I kind of entered in early, but hey bro, it's the name of the game. You win some, you lose some. But that was crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out right now, boys. See what happens here. Bro, if I get back in profit, I'm just getting out of this shit, because I actually agree with you that I think shorts is the move. Oh, you hit your TP? What was your TP, bro? Here? Like here? Oh, okay, okay. Oh, so you're like quick trades, bro. You just in and out of that shit. I'm still in this, bro. Let's see what happens. Oh, bro, that's smart. That's fire. It's good stuff. I'm about to get stopped out, bro. For sure. Stopped out. Stopped out. Unfortunate, bro. Unfortunate. But, hey, bro, it's the name of the game. Let me get rid of these sell limits. Unfortunate. Unfortunate stuff. It's my first loss on stream. And ES is now ripping, and now NASDAQ is... Alright, bro, okay. If we inverse this gap, I'm getting back in this trade. Because... if we inverse this gap, I'm getting back in. Because this is like so unfortunate that we just wicked out. I could take shorts too if we fill this gap, but... You're in longs now? Damn, we're down $600 on this shit today. Alright, I'm waiting. 1 minute break of structure right here. 13 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and... Okay. Alright, bro. Let's try again, I guess.
Order filled.
Bro, am I gonna get liquidated today? Today was just not a good day for me, man. Oh wait, I forgot about the daily loss limit. Uh-oh. Shoot, I forgot about the daily loss limit. Oh no, I'm so cooked. Oh.
Order filled.
Alright, there you go, guys. That's how it goes. That's the name of the game. Daily loss limit got the best of me. Okay, well, we're actually cooked today. This was a terrible trade. Alright, bro. Holy shit, bro. That was crazy. Damn. Okay. Stopped out. Crazy wig. That's it, bro. Alright. Well, with that being said, I'm gonna end stream there because there's nothing else to trade. Lost a bunch of money today. Followed the rules. But hey, man, it's the name of the game. You win some, you lose some. We'll be back tomorrow, better than ever. So, see you guys on the next stream. And yeah, it was interesting. Yo, man, I hope you enjoyed the stream. It was kind of fun. We're just trolling. So, yeah, man. Hopefully, we'll see you back here soon. Yeah, that was crazy, bro. I mean, rules were followed, so I'm not even pissed about it. I did take an extra trade that I probably shouldn't have, but it just looked like it was a perfect setup for me off that candle. So yeah, I entered today off of we took out some liquidity. We broke structure to the downside on the 1 minute down here. Then we broke structure back up here. So I entered longs to target this area and then this area all the way up here, and then maybe something in between. Got stopped out of that over here, or here, fully stopped out, and then took another trade here off a 1 minute break since we broke down, and then stopped out. So, all right, guys. With that being said, I'll see you in the next stream. So I'll see you guys tomorrow again. So our winning streak is over. Before I started streaming, I've been on a winning streak for like 2 weeks straight. So I was kind of due for a loss, because if you see here on Tradeify, I lost. The last time I lost was the 23rd of July. So I was due for a loss. Yeah, because I've been winning trades every day after that, and then this day too. I just wasn't trading this account, I guess. Or no, yeah. So I haven't lost in that like 2 weeks. So today was a loss. It is what it is. Yeah. So yeah. Got smoked today, but good stuff. It was fun. Had a good time today. I'm not looking for any more trades at all today. So this is it. I mean, I think honestly you were right with the shorts bias. Now we're getting that 5 minute breakdown, right? So you could technically still look for shorts. You get a breakdown here on the 5 minute. Maybe you get a retrace back to the upside on the 1 minute, and then you can break down again on the 1 minute, and you can take shorts all the way to some of these areas of liquidity. I'll stay on a little bit longer for you guys, just so we can chat a little bit, see what's going on. So let's see. Yeah, on the 5 minute here, looking like we're going to break structure. ES is looking still bullish. So honestly, you can't even trade until ES breaks 5 minute structure. So the indexes aren't very correlating right now from what I can see. So yeah, that's kind of one observation here. But yeah, that wick was crazy. Yeah, we lost $400, $470 on this account here. You can see real P&L. Yeah, I think, yeah, right there. You can see it, 470.60 loss on this account, and then on this account, I sized up too much and exceeded the daily loss limit, so that was really foolish of me. You're in shorts again, bro. Damn. Shorts is looking good, but I still would wait for more confirmation, personally. But we got smoked, 964 loss today, so all our profits are gone basically. Hey, but that's how trading is, bro. We can make it back though. It's because I think I was. Oh, okay. I see what happened here. Yeah. My win rate's 75% now, which is fine. But okay. So we actually didn't even break 5 minute. Oh, actually, technically, you did break 5 minute, but yeah, bro, I don't know about that. That shit's crazy. On this Tradeify account, let's see what's going on here. refresh. 587 profit now, bro. It's tough. Tough. Lost. Oh, but the scary thing is my maximum loss limit is 25,000 because I was up so much. So let's hope I don't blow this account. And I hope I can pass this Top Step account too. I have one that's passed already, this one here, but damn, bro, the stop out on that was crazy. Yeah, damn. I want to see what caused that. Like something did that? Like what? How did that even happen? Like this is an orange folder, like news event. What happened with this? When did that happen again? Let me see. This. Oh, 7 a.m. Bro, what? The news did that? That's crazy. Did not expect the news to do that much damage. Alright. I just can't break free. Every time I try. Keep on calling me. Every time I try. I just can't break free. Every time I try. Keep on calling me. Every time I try. Alright, let's see. Bro, it's so annoying. My stop loss was down here. This was the trade I took, by the way. This was my trade today, by the way. Bro. It's really unfortunate, man. If we just rip up, that's crazy. If only I had stop loss here, but forgot about the maximum daily loss limit. See what ES is doing. Alright, so ES has just been like literally consolidating the whole time, the whole way through. We can go up, down, yeah. We're just chilling here. I think we're just gonna chop around some more probably. Yeah. Now this is looking cooked. I mean, I was trying to help you guys find another trade, but I really don't think that's gonna happen. Let's see what else is good here. Anything happen here? Nope. Okay, well I can talk about this with you guys for a little bit here. I'll stop the music for now, just so you guys can hear me. So I can talk about the news a little bit. So tomorrow we have not much going on. Unemployment claims. By the way, my time say 5:30 a.m. because I am in Pacific Standard Time. So yeah. So 5:30 a.m. we have unemployment claims, and then Friday should be really interesting. Here's my prediction for price action tomorrow and for the rest of today also. I see us just kind of consolidating today and kind of consolidating tomorrow as well. Maybe tomorrow there might be one move or something, but I see a lot of consolidation happening in preparation for maybe later today there's gonna be something, but I feel like this stuff tomorrow, 5:30 a.m. news on Friday. Sorry, apologies. Price is gonna consolidate a lot because it's gonna be kind of scared to see where, like we want to see where price goes. So price is gonna chop around until we get to that day. That's what I think. That's what I see happening at least. So tomorrow shouldn't be that great for trading. Today was all right for trading. Because if we look at it here, if this trade would have played out, it would have been like a nice trading day, like yesterday. But even this trade could have played out, but instead we just chopped around, and you can see like we're clearly in a range like this, yeah. Again, and I was trying to trade the breakout of the range, I guess, but it didn't really go in my favor today. What else is going on? So yeah, I think tomorrow is going to be a little choppy as well. Today was not that great for me. Maybe some of you guys made money, but for me it was not that great today. ES also, you can see like the chop is crazy. Price action was just not that good. Especially because we took out those all-time highs, so it's kind of hard to predict where the market wants to go when one of the indexes is at all-time highs, because one of the most important things is that everyone, both indexes are correlating, so that's a key thing. So yeah, that's what happened here with NQ and ES. You guys can see my trades here. I took 2 trades, lost both trades. Rough day for me. I honestly broke my rules. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna hold myself accountable. I broke my rules. I took 2 trades. I should have only taken 1 trade, 1 loss off the charts, but I messed up, and that's just the name of the game. I thought the setup was too perfect to not take it. Sometimes a re-entry is good, but for the most part, I should just be following my rules the way that I think. So it would have been much better for me like that in the long run. Yeah, so yeah, I think tomorrow's not going to be that great for trading, and we'll just have to wait and see what happens tomorrow. As far as today, I can explain the trades I took. Again, holy shit, 11 viewers, that's crazy. Did not expect that at all. As far as today, what I can say here is I took a trade because we took out these draws, and then we had a 5-minute retrace. Technically, wasn't that great of a retrace, but it was there. And then we broke structure to the downside on the 1 minute off this candle, and then we broke structure back up over here off this candle. So I literally entered longs here, put stops below here, and then targeted, this, and then targeted something here and then here. So I had 3 take profits. For that, we ended up getting in some profit and then stopped out fully here, and then I waited more here, and then I saw that we broke structure to the downside, and then I saw that we had a new area to break structure to the upside here. So we inversed this gap as well. So I was like, wow, this is perfect for longs. So I took longs, same draws, and we had news at 7, which is my mistake because I didn't wait for it, and then boom, stopped out fully out of the trade. And here, that was that. And then I took the same exact trades on my Top Step account, which I hit the daily loss limit today on. Pretty crazy stuff, man. I got screwed over today on these trades, but it's the name of the game. You guys know it's the name of the game. That's how trading goes. Big loss for me today, but yeah. Now it looks like we're going in the direction that I wanted to go, which is always frustrating to see, but it's gonna take a really long time to hit any kind of take profit. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. So if you aren't following me, make sure to follow me so you don't miss any of the streams. And yeah, I'll be live tomorrow. I'll be trading again, and hopefully we can win a trade. If you guys tuned into any of my other streams, I've literally won every single stream except today. So there's the first loss live on stream. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Later.